Boost your grammar skills. Can you score 10 by 10? Total questions. 10. You have 15 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Choose the correct option. Are you ready? Let's begin. While I blank my bike, I realized the tire was flat. While I was riding my bike, I realized the tire was flat. They blank a fantastic dance performance on stage. They performed a fantastic dance performance on stage. Too much sun exposure can blank your skin. Too much sun exposure can burn your skin. He blank the car this morning. He didn't wash the car this morning. She's been blank the baby all night. She's been comforting the baby all night. The detective blank the mystery in the novel. The detective solved the mystery in the novel. He blank to school every day. He goes to school every day. My uncle blank a teacher. My uncle is a teacher. The book is blank the table. The book is on the table. I blank to mosque yesterday. I went to mosque yesterday. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.